Hello and welcome to the Easter trip. Everybody's bike is broke, so I'm on the way by myself, heading into the mountains. I think I'm now started quite late today, so now it's already 5 o'clock in the evening. I started at 1, so 4 hours in. I just have like 100 kilometers to go or something like that until I'm in Lom. But between here and Lom is Valdreslia, and I think we're gonna get some nice shots there. As you can see, I'm here in Beitostolen ski resort. Not many bikes around, so up there should be some nice snow. Some nice snow walls on the side of the road. Didn't look like much on the web camera, but I'm hoping that I get at some places some shots. This is like 1 meter high snow walls on the side of the road. Otherwise, tomorrow I'm driving Sognafjellet. There should be some higher walls there. Anyway, that's it for now. Oh, actually not. What I forgot to say is already used up my luck for today. Got stopped by the police in a radar control, but they didn't manage to clock me on the gun, so I just guessed that I went like way too fast, but couldn't give me a ticket since they didn't have any evidence. So I don't know, I'm really stretching my luck. But that would mean now I think I didn't get anything last summer or the summer before. So 2 seasons without any ticket. And today I almost lost the driving license, so maybe I have to slow down in some places. Anyway, I think that's it. The only other problem I have is my front tire. Thought it was good, or never checked it, I guess. So some steel is already coming out on the side of the tire. So that double pound compound technology, or what they call it, is really working. Since in the middle of the tire I still have lots of rubber left, but oops, that was ice. But on the left and right sidewalls, or not sidewalls, the side of it, there ain't much left. And tomorrow is a red day, and today it's already 5, so not much chance to change a tire now. What can you do? Just hope it doesn't go bad. What are you two doing? Yeah, but that's really it, I think. So enjoy the map, or maybe I'll show you some of this. I love the riding conditions like that. Dry roads, and hopefully soon meters of snow on the side of the road. Otherwise, enjoy the map. Bye bye. There we have it. That's at least 1.5 meters. So this is the end of day 1. Riding against the sun and get blinded by it. But Jotunheim was, or Wildernessflya was really nice. The roads were bad and bumpy, but the scenery was just awesome. I should have to check in and eat some dinner and get ready for tomorrow. So, it's the second day on my way over Sognefjellet. Looks nice up there. Weather says it will be just around freezing point. So I waited until 11 o'clock. Didn't take off before that, because from 12 o'clock it should be around freezing point. Before it was -4, I think, at 8 o'clock in the morning. Well, it looks nice and snowy up there, so I guess it will be fun. Last time I drove this road, there was no snow on the side, but it started snowing heavily while we drove over it. That was a scary bit. So we're lucky with the weather. It's not raining, but I'm not sure if the snow is much better. So let's see. They'd say there's a good chance of avalanches, and there was just a sign which said like, give way to the plow truck. So let's see. I can see over there came some avalanches down from the mountain, but I guess they're old ones. Yeah, those are very old. Gotta go up there. It's gonna be nice. I guess that's 3 meters. Fucking nice. Here we'll go to Tindevine, but it's closed. Will be a nice road up there. Maybe in a month or two. So, just like 90 kilometers left or even less. And then the 2-day trip is over. Was really lucky with the police. The front tire lasted, so that's all good. And Valdresflya was awesome and Sognefjellet was even better. Then I drove Aurlandvangen, which was quite okay. Not as amazing as Sognefjellet or Valdresflya. Well, that was expected. So, thanks for watching.